In this video, we're going to set up the bundle identifier for your app. So you're going to come to developer.apple.com and click up here on Member Center. And if you're not logged in already, it's going to ask you for your username and password, but I'm already logged in here. After you log in, come to the Certificates, Identifiers, and Profiles section. And then click on Identifiers. When you do that, come up here to the right and click on the plus button, which is going to be Add. Now we're ready to register an app ID. For the app ID description, just type in your app name. It's not going to be the name that appears in the App Store. That's going to be later on when you're working with iTunes Connect. So it doesn't really matter what you name it here, just something so you know what app this is for. And the app ID prefix, you should probably have just one value since you're since you're just starting out. So just select the one Apple ID prefix value. And then the explicit app ID. This is where you create the actual bundle ID. Now typically the bundle ID is going to start with com dot. Like they show an example here, com dot domain name dot app name. So just always start with com dot, and then after that, type in your app name, and then you can add a dot, and then add something else like your company name, or you can just make it com dot app name, company name, all together after the com dot. Don't worry about wildcard app ID. Don't worry about the app services. Game Center is checked, which is good. And app purchases checked by default again, which is good. And then when you're done with that, just click continue. And then it's going to take you to the next screen. And then you just want to, on the next screen, you just want to copy and paste your bundle ID. And then once you have that bundle ID, we're going to go over into Xcode and we're going to paste it there. All right, we're back in Xcode now, and you've already copied your bundle ID. So just come over here to the bundle identifier section. If you're not sure where it is, or if you're not on this screen, just click on the project here on the left. Just click it once, and then make sure you're under the targets and not under the actual project. So if you're under project, you're going to get something completely different. So you want to make sure you're under targets, and it's okay if it's still called party slots. That doesn't really matter. So come up here to the bundle identifier, and I'm just going to paste in my bundle ID. And version number is going to be 1.0 because it's the very first version. Now, every time you do an update that's going to change, you can make it version 1.2, 1.3, etc. Same thing with the build. Now, down here, team. This is new to Xcode. Now, you need to add your account so it matches up with your bundle identifier. So if you don't have your account listed here, go to add an account and then add in your information here. I already have my account set up here, so I'm going to click on the one that is associated with this bundle ID. And now you see the spinning wheel, and it looks like it already connected, which is actually really fast because most of the time I get an error issue, like it says it cannot find it. And then there'll be a button down here that says fix issue. So all I do is just keep clicking fix issue until it gets resolved, because I'm positive this bundle ID is created with this developer account.